Hey everybody, welcome to Greenlane Offroad. My name's Donovan, and today we're going to be installing our brand new 3rd gen Tacoma rear aluminum bumper. So this aluminum bumper is made to replace the factory plastic that mounts above the tow hitch. This bumper will retain the factory tow hitch, so your factory tow rating is retained. It has 2 3/4 inch shackle points that are tow rated, and our end caps are removable, so if they get damaged you can just replace the end cap and not the whole bumper. We're going to begin the install by removing the entire rear bumper, including the hitch. It's attached to the frame with 17mm head bolts on both sides. Now that we've got the side bolts removed, we're going to pull straight back on the bumper to remove it as a complete assembly. Next we'll unclip the wiring harness for the license plate lights and the trailer wiring. Next we'll remove the trailer hitch plug to reinstall in the supplied bracket after the bumper is installed. Next we're going to remove the plastic bumper cover from the trailer hitch. We'll remove the plastic clip in the middle here, the plastic clips in the bottom, these 2 12mm head bolts, Next we'll remove this plastic cover from the rest of the bumper. Next we'll remove the rest of the 12mm head bolts. Next we'll remove the factory wiring for the license plate lights. Next we'll give the factory hitch a little bit of a cleanup, and we'll be bolting the new bumper cover to the hitch using these 2 threaded holes and these 2 big through holes. Next we'll slip the new bumper over top of the receiver. Next we're going to use the supplied 1/2 inch grade 8 hardware to go through the tow lug and the hitch receiver. And we'll put the washer and the nylock nut on the other side. Before we tighten that up, we're going to select the supplied shims that fit the best between the steel hitch receiver and the toe lug to make up the space. Do the same procedure on both sides before tightening the 1/2" hardware. Next we're going to install the 8mm with a 13mm head bolts with a washer, loosely holding the bumper cover to the hitch receiver. Next we're going to feed the wires for the license plate light through the bumper and attach them using the supplied stainless hardware. Now install the other light, ensuring not to over-tighten the bolts. Using the factory wiring harness, we're going to connect the white wire with the black tracer to the black and the colored wire to the red. Now that we've test fit our bumper cover and figured out what shims we need, we're going to remove it and reinstall the hitch by itself. Next we'll refit the bumper cover. And reinstall the supplied grade 8 hardware. Next we'll make sure that the bumper is rotated so it's not hitting the body of the truck, and we'll tighten everything down. Next we're going to install the bumper end caps using the supplied 5/16 hardware. We'll put the bolts through the end cap and into the bumper. Next we'll install the hitch plug into the supplied bracket. Next we'll plug it back into the wiring harness and bolt it right here using the supplied hardware. Last but not least, we'll reconnect the license plate wiring plug. And the installation is complete.